everyone. I am Korean Sunny teacher Kosem. Today's topic is Korean combined consonants called 쌍자음, 겹자음, or 복합자음 in Korean. There are total 19 consonants in the Korean alphabet, consist of 14 consonants and these five consonants blends. They cannot be used alone, but must be used with a vowel to form a syllable like this. 기역, makes ka sound. Okay. I hope after learning this topic, you will be able to understand these five consonants blend well. I recommend you watch the third video of basic consonants if you don't know them. It can help you understand well this time. Okay, here is the Korean thing, a traditional roof called 기와. Okay, I like it. Do you? Among 14 consonants, there are only five combined consonants. Other consonants has no double sound. We don't write like this. Double liun, double liu, we have no double sound. The other consonants are the same. These only five consonants has double sound. Okay, 기역, 쌍기역. Okay, it's all we just add 쌍 in front of 기역. 디귿, 쌍디귿, 비읍, 쌍비읍, 시옷, 쌍시옷. There are rules about final consonants pronunciation. These seven final consonants 받침 are pronounced with all 디귿, the sound. Okay, now let's learn them closely one by one. Okay. Look at my mouth and follow me to say the combined consonants aloud. If you memorize the name of the sound, it's easy to read and write them later. 기역, 쌍기역. 디귿, 디귿, 쌍디귿, 쌍디귿. 비읍, 비읍, 쌍비읍, 쌍비읍. 시옷, 시옷. We do not say 읒. We do not say 읒. We say 옷. Okay. But its sound, as I mentioned, 옷. 시옷, 시옷. 쌍시옷, 쌍시옷. 지읒, 지읒. 쌍지읒, 쌍지읒. Please remember these five consonants pronunciation applies like this again. It's good to read. Let's say them one more time. Okay, these five double consonants are pronounced with more force compared to the basic consonants. Now let's learn them closely one by one. 쌍기역, 쌍디귿, 쌍비읍, 쌍시옷, 쌍지읒. Okay. 기역, 그, 쌍기역, 그. Okay. It makes a sound 그. Okay. Hold the back of the tongue with force longer than 기역 sound and add pressure to the throat. 디귿, 드. 쌍디귿, 뜨. It makes a 드 sound. Block the back of the upper teeth with the tip of the tongue with force to some time and then remove it to make a sound. Hold it with force longer than 디귿 sound. Add pressure to the throat as well. 비읍, 브. 쌍비읍, 브. It makes b sound. Okay, press the lips together with force for some time and then open them to make a sound. Okay, press it with more force than beep sound. Add pressure to the throat as well. 시옷, s, 쌍시옷, s. It makes s sound. Okay, add more force to the tip of the tongue and throat compared to 시옷 to make a sound. With both consonants, air are expelled through the narrow passage inside the mouth, and add pressure to the throat as well. 지읒, 즈, 쌍지읒, 즈. It makes a z sound. Press the tongue against the roof to the mouth with force for a long time, and then remove it slightly, so that the air expelled through the narrow passage to make a sound. Add pressure to the throat as well. Okay, now let's say the words that contain consonants plan. 쌍기역, 토끼, 토끼, 꼬리, 꼬리. 쌍기역 makes good sound. 토끼, 꼬리, 토끼, 꼬리. One more example. 쌍기역, 코끼리, 코끼리, 도끼, 도끼. 쌍경 makes good sound. 코끼리, 도끼, 코끼리, 도끼. 쌍디귿, 딸기, 딸기, 땅콩, 땅콩. 쌍디귿 makes this sound. 딸기, 땅콩, 딸기, 땅콩. 쌍디귿, 뚜껑, 뚜껑. 머리띠, 머리띠. 쌍디귿 makes this sound. 뚜껑, 머리띠, 뚜껑, 머리띠. 쌍비읍, 아빠, 아빠, 빵, 빵. 쌍비읍 makes b sound. 아빠, 빵, 아빠, 빵. Okay. I'm not sure it's a double B or double P in English. Sometimes it sounds double B and other times double P. 쌍비읍, 코뿔소, 코뿔소, 뿌리, 뿌리. 쌍비읍 makes B sound. 코뿔소, 뿌리, 코뿔소, 뿌리. 쌍시옷, 쌀, 쌀, 쓰레기통, 쓰레기통. 쌍시옷 makes S sound. 쌀, 쓰레기통, 쌀, 쓰레기통. 쌍시옷, 쌍둥이, 쌍둥이, 씨앗, 씨앗. 쌍시옷 makes S sound. 쌍둥이, 씨앗, 쌍둥이, 씨앗. 쌍지옷, 팔찌, 팔찌. 짜장면, 짜장면. 쌍지옷 makes Z sound. 팔찌, 짜장면, 팔찌, 짜장면. Last one more example. 쌍지읒, 찌개, 찌개, 찍다, 찍다. 쌍지읒 makes Z sound. 찌개, 찍다, 찌개, 찍다. There are many words related to the combined consonants, which is to understand for you 쌍자음. You don't need to memorize all these vocabularies. This time, it's okay. You just try to memorize these combined consonants. Okay, now I'm going to write letters. Why don't you take your notes and write along with me slowly? Okay, as you know, Hangul is written top to bottom, left to right. By making sure follow the stroke order, you'll find that writing Korean is easy, and other people will be able to better read your handwriting. 쌍기역, 쌍디귿, 쌍비읍. Some people write this order 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Both is okay. 쌍시옷, 쌍지읒. Okay. Can you do that? Let's say the words that you've learned so far without picture and English letter. Okay. 토끼, 토끼, 꼬리, 꼬리, 코끼리, 코끼리, 도끼, 도끼, 딸기, 딸기, 땅콩, 땅콩, 뚜껑, 뚜껑, 머리띠, 머리띠. 비읍, 아빠, 아빠, 빵, 빵, 콧불소, 콧불소, 뿌리, 뿌리. 쌍시오, 쌀, 쌀, 쓰레기통, 쓰레기통. 쌍둥이, 쌍둥이, 씨앗, 씨앗. Okay, wait, let me distinguish between one more important similar consonants. Okay, these are the similar categories. Okay, plain, or it's a heavier or stronger sound, and it is a top sound. We can categorize it like this. 기역, 그, 쌍기역, 끄, 키읔, 크. Let me see the examples. 그, 가방, 끄, 꼬리, 크, 커피. 디귿, 드, 쌍디읒, 뜨, 티읒, 트. Okay, let's see the words. 드, 다리, 뜨, 땅콩, 트, 태권도. 비읍, 브, 쌍비읍, 뿌, 피읍, 프. 브, 바나나, 뿌, 빵, 프, 파도. 시옷, 스, 쌍시옷, 스, 사과, 스, 쌀. 지옷, 지읒, 즈, 쌍지읒, 쯔, 치읒, 츠. 즈, 자동차, 쯔, 짜장면, 츠, 친구. Let's read one more time. 그, 가방, 끄, 꼬리, 크, 커피. 디귿, 드, 다리, 쌍디귿, 뜨, 땅콩, 티읕, 트, 태권도. 시옷, 스, 사과, 쌍시옷, 스, 쌀. 지옷, 즈, 자동차. 쌍지읒, 쯔, 짜장면. 치읒, 츠, 친구. Can you distinguish these three categories? Wow, we are almost finished. You did a good job. You did a good job. Okay. If it is helpful for you to learn Korean, please like and subscribe. Next time we'll learn how to make words and syllables with consonants and vowels. Thank you so much for watching my Kosem channel. See you next time. Bye.